Good evening and welcome to the news. I'm Dinesh Trentley. Let's look at today's headlines. India administers over 83 crore COVID-19 vaccine doses so far. Meghalaya records 208 new COVID-19 cases. Prime Minister Narendra Modi meets US President Joe Biden as part of the first in-person Quad Leaders Summit meeting. High Commissioners of 4 African countries are on a 3-day visit to Shillong. And the Social Welfare Minister reacts on the alleged rice scam, says an investigation report is to be submitted in 3 months. The news in detail. India's vaccination coverage has crossed the 83 crore mark today. The Union Health Ministry has informed that over 61 crore vaccine doses have been administered as the first dose and over 21 crore vaccine doses have been given as the second dose till date. Meanwhile, in Meghalaya, 208 new COVID-19 cases have been registered, including 2 new deaths, both of whom were unvaccinated. 251 new recoveries have been recorded. The total active cases in the state stands at 1,945, with East Khasi Hills leading the numbers, followed by West Khasi Hills and West Jaintia Hills. Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Friday held a bilateral meeting with the US President Joe Biden to take part in the first in-person summit meeting of Quad leaders on the second day of his significant visit to the United States. This was the first meeting between the two leaders since Biden assumed office as the US President in January this year. The meeting comes at the backdrop of the Taliban takeover of Afghanistan, and the two leaders will discuss regional and global issues of mutual interest. This meeting between PM Modi and US President will set the template for further strengthening of bilateral ties. In what may be termed as a boost to the tourism sector in the state, diplomats from 4 African countries are on a 3-day tour to Shillong to experience the beauty of Meghalaya. High Commissioners of African countries including Zambia, Kenya, Malawi and Tanzania are on a 3-day visit to Meghalaya. The tour is being sponsored by Flybig Airlines. Sharing his thoughts, High Commissioner of Kenya to India Ambassador Willie K. Bett said he would like to see if there are any linkages between the various countries in Africa and this state, especially the culture exchange. He expressed desire to explore a collaboration in terms of agriculture. The High Commissioner of Malawi informed that the delegation is likely to meet the state government. He also spoke about starting a network for cultural and tourism exchanges.
All the aspects of life. So after seeing the beauty of Shillong and the areas, we go and sell it. If it has minerals, we'll tell everybody we have minerals. If it has touristic resorts, we'll certainly tell our nationals so that when they come to India, they shouldn't only end up in Delhi or Mumbai, they should come to Shillong and enjoy the beauty. I think that will be done after we have seen and had exchanges like this. Then we will know what is the priority aspects for Shillong and what any other proposal that we can make. You don't make proposals before you see the.
State Social Welfare Minister Karman Shilla has said that the government is waiting for the Independent Inquiry Committee to complete its probe into the alleged rice scam. Speaking to reporters, Shilla said that the independent inquiry is expected to complete the investigation within a period of 3 months. The independent inquiry was constituted by the state government on July 29th and has been asked to probe into the matter of rice allotted to Continental Milkco's India Limited for the supplementary nutrition program found in a private godown in Boko, Assam and seized by Assam police. It was also asked to inquire into the quality of fortified SNP food items being supplied to children, pregnant and lactating women under the Integrated Child Development Services Scheme.
Just now I gave her the thing, so she took pictures of that.
Startup India, in collaboration with Prime Meghalaya, on Saturday organized an entrepreneurs HIP program as part of Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav at the Prime Startup Hub JN Stadium, Shillong. K.N. Kumar, retired IAS chairman of Meghalaya Farmers Commission, was the chief guest. While addressing the gathering, the chief guest explained various available entrepreneurship schemes to the participants. The discussions dwelled on benefits of Prime Startup Hub to entrepreneurs, highlighting examples of successful entrepreneurial innovations from within the state and the need for tapping the potential of agriculture in Northeast India.
When we have an idea or whether you... Because of that, there was no accountability.
Every year, farmers get anything up to 50 crores through what we produce as strawberry. The money that is produced here is getting circulated here. In fact, it is coming from outside because most of the strawberries that you get in the Northeast are from Meghalaya. That's one example. So from there, the trigger for new initiatives in agriculture department started. I can give a long list. We launched the Lakadong mission. And Lakadong mission has now added additional 3,000 metric tons.
As part of the 105th birth anniversary celebration of P.T. Deen Dayal Upadhyay in Shillong, a mega Fit India run was organized by Nehru Yuva Kendra Sangathan, Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sport, Government of India on Saturday. Around 150 youth participated in the mega Fit India run. The chief guest of the occasion was MDC Fanton Joseph Lakadong. Speaking on the occasion, the MDC said such activities will help youth grow both physically and mentally. The award distribution ceremony took place later in the evening. The event also coincides with the month-long celebration of Azadi Ki Amrit Mahotsav India at 75, which aims to encourage people to take up fitness activities in their daily lives. The chief executive member of KHADC T.W. Kine on Friday carried out an inspection of the long-pending footbridge that connects Sao to Upper New Longstoin village and which has been left unattended for several years due to shortage of funds. KHADC CEM said that the council has sanctioned 23 lakh rupees to start the construction, but if this amount is found to be insufficient, then he, along with the local MDC, collectively would resolve the issue. Meanwhile, the District Council Court Longstoin branch was also inaugurated on the same day. It is located at the office of the District Council Longstoin. This was done with an aim to create a better relationship between the public of West Khasi Hills and the court.
Kung makalong manta ka pisa kaladon ka sanction artulailak ban pentrikam ni gani artulailak total tingin sapet nga kerpat mo yay MDC bagidon lang NGSE demi ni bastang no rekam ban pet balada kadang dunah dia msoi pa ni saya syong mani pakat di ba Gabriel kumpulan pendap yang dipikir takajing angno di na kalian council kalong ba nin pendap ini namang itu memang saudara ni ba kadon kajing jong kipat ba nang Shillong to kini kan.
Here's a weather report in Shillong. The maximum temperature is 26.4 degrees Celsius with the minimum temperature at 17.4 degrees Celsius. The relative humidity in morning was 66%, rising to 86% in the evening, with rainfall measured at 1.6 millimeters. The weather forecast tells us moderate rain and thunder showers are very likely to occur at many places. Our news bulletin is also available live on our YouTube channel, and in addition to watching on television, viewers may now visit the DD News Shillong YouTube channel to tune in to our daily bulletin. And for our viewers, here's a recap of today's headlines. India administers over 83 crore COVID-19 vaccine doses so far. Meghalaya records 208 new COVID-19 cases. Prime Minister Narendra Modi meets US President Joe Biden as part of the first in-person Quad Leaders Summit meeting. High Commissioners of 4 African countries are on a 3-day visit to Shillong. And Social Welfare Minister reacts on alleged rice scam, says investigation report will be submitted in 3 months. Well, that's all the news we have for you today. Thank you for watching. We'll be back same time tomorrow. Have a good evening and stay safe.